Today's video we will learn 3 editing tricks. So let's jump into the timeline. I have a drone footage here. You must take a drone footage. First I will go to the effect panel and search mirror. Drag this effect into the video layer and go to the effect controls. Here you will see the mirror effect. Increase the reflection angle to -90. Change the reflection angle as you wish. Now the mirror effect has created. I will add some text here. Go to the text tool and write the text. Select the text and change the font size. I'll select this font here and center the font. Apply default transition in this font to both sides. Now if I play it, you will see the effect has created. We'll crop it a little so it looks nicer. Go to the effect and search crop. Drag this effect to the video layer and go to the effect controls. Here you can see the crop effect. I will increase the top value to 8% and then increase the bottom value to 8%. Now it looks nicer. If I play the video, you will see the effect has completed. Tricks number 2, Posterize time effect. If you have party video footage, you must apply this effect. I have a party video footage here. Now I will go effect panels and search Posterize time. Drag this effect onto the video layer and go to the effect control panels. Here you can see the Posterize time. I will decrease the frame rate like 6 or 7%. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has done. If I close on now, it will look like this. And after applying this effect, it will look like this. Tricks number 3, blur background effect. Go to the effect panel and search Gaussian blur. Drag this effect onto the video layer and go to the effect control panels. Here you can see Gaussian blur effect. Create clips max and increase the max value. Press Shift and Ultra and increase it. Turn on the inverted option and increase the blur value. Then increase max feather. Now the blur background has done. If I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To learn more amazing video editing tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.